I have a house behind me. The road to Madison starts now.
Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. Keep your eyes on the horizon, stay gold. All I need are your eyes, you're my arrow. Now we're running into the wild. I see the light. I feel alive. Put your head on my shoulder, you're safe now. When the rain comes, we'll head for the high ground. If the stars watching over,
I'm at the dealership here to buy the truck. The truck to take on the road. This thing's gonna be badass. I can't believe how hard it was to find a truck. They're just not out there. I'll talk more about that later, but I'm here. Gotta keep the mask on. All right, here's the big reveal. It is being cleaned, which is a really nice touch. Holy crap, this is the biggest truck. I've never driven a truck this big. It's gonna be really interesting. I'm gonna tend into it. I was literally like adding it to insurance while I was waiting for paperwork to sign for financing. It's a good looking truck right there. This thing is gonna carry a 20,000 pound RV full of stuff and gym equipment all over North America, ideally. End up at the CrossFit Games with this truck and an RV in tow and hopefully do well there. Hopefully I qualify. Regardless, I just want to get out. This is gonna do it, I would say. I could actually probably use it for wall balls, handstand push-ups. It's that tall. These trucks are so hard to come by that it was on its way here when I put a deposit on it to make sure that no one else bought it. And I think the only thing I need to do is get like a bed liner in there. The windows are fine. Gonna get a logo on here or get a partial wrap. It looks so damn good. All right, today's the day. Going to pick up an RV. It is in Casper, Wyoming. I'm in Denver, Colorado, and it should be fun. It's gonna snow through Lake Cheyenne, Wyoming today. We'll be driving through snow, but picking up the RV in Casper and then staying up near Casper tonight in the RV. I'll be staying at a Harvest host site tonight. I'll talk more about that at some point, but it's essentially a membership and you can stay at lots of different places or golf courses, wineries, breweries for free when you're a member. I'm gonna be staying at a golf course tonight. It's not sexy, but it'll be great for tonight. First night in the RV, just to kind of find all the bugs of the system. There should be some things that I've got to figure out. I have everything I need for a couple of days in the truck here. So step one, get the truck done. Step two, go grab the RV. On my way. I am currently towing for the very first time a fifth wheel rig that is likely 16,000 pounds behind me. It's crazy. Wow. When it's full, it can carry up to 20,000 pounds. I am excited. My truck is having to work right now. Yeah, I can't believe they just let me drive this thing off the lot. I'm on a very non-busy country road right here, headed to a very large gas station. Gonna fill up some gas for the generator tonight, make sure I have enough gas in the truck. It's real now. I have a house behind me. The road to Madison starts now. I would have preferred a nicer day for picking up the rig. It is really stinking cold out. It's misting, it's drizzly, it's windy. It's not just Wyoming. Wyoming is like this a lot, but It's just gross. But I am in Douglas, Wyoming. I have driven the rig for just over an hour, and now it's time to just get to know this giant rig. So I thought it would be easier to park. I thought I would be able to navigate and, you know, turn this way to turn this way. It's not easy, but I thought I'd give you just a quick introductory tour. We'll get into this a lot more sooner. Here she is. There we go. It's a big one. We've got a triple axle down there. The slides are not slid out right now. The truck is handling this thing like a beast. The truck got a good workout. We went over some rolling hills. Things seem to look pretty good. I think the things I need to check now are just making sure tire pressures are all good. But that's it. It is monstrous. They did a walkthrough with me. I remember nothing. Nothing. He's like, don't forget to do this, or, you know, water will just shoot you in the face. I am sure that in the next 48 hours, I am going to get shot in the face by water and all kinds of things in here as I figure it out. It's the first meal in the RV. Got the pan going. Starving. Tonight we're having burgers because that's what I want. Let's see. I gotta get these open. This is the knife. My other knife is in the truck. There we go. All right, how to open a bottle of Topo Chico without a bottle opener. Feels like I'm gonna cut my thumb off. Done. All right, here's what I learned this morning. When the battery runs too low, it won't start the generator. So that's no good. Thankfully, my truck is still attached. I was able to start the truck to get enough power into the battery so that the battery was charged enough to start the generator. Now I have power. So got the generator started. That's good news. There's light coming in. It seems like the sun might peek through for 1 second, but I think 1 second only. Then I came in and my microwave has power, which means the generator is providing power. The outlet still have power, so I still can't make coffee at that point. So I call Grand Design and their customer service. I'm like, hey, I got power to the microwave, but not to my outlets. And when I was out trying to manually start the generator, I noticed there were two switches, a 30 amp and a 20 amp, or a 30 and a 30 or something like that. One of them was switched off, and I'm not gonna mess with that without talking to somebody. So I was like, I'm in here and I was like, hey, when I tried to start the generator, one of the switches was off. He's like, that's it, flip that switch. I'm like, okay, you're coming with me. So we go out there, it's super noisy, pull open the door on the generator, flip the switch, come in, we got power. Finally. I have no idea what time it is.
And no matter where I go, and no matter what I do, there ain't nothing like coming home to you. Places where the heart resides, brothers laugh and lovers cry, hold each other up when we can't stand. Back home with my family, right there where I wanna be. It's all I need to be a rich man. There ain't nothing, there ain't nothing, there ain't nothing like coming home to you. And no matter where I go, and no matter what I do, there ain't nothing like coming home to you.
Time to leave. And I've done everything. I didn't document everything this time because it's just slow, really slow. So I will document my first hookup to the hitch. I'm gonna get this power unhooked. Everything else is off. I think we're gonna be good to go.